Just 2 blocks from the proposed school situated on a bay is this fabulous 1958 square feet home. The living room greets you with a stone-mantled fireplace and cathedral ceilings. Onto the chef's kitchen with a huge island, 6-burner dual-fuel stove, 3 options from lighting and an eating area that seats 10. Patio doors lead to a covered deck. Main floor laundry has granite countertops. Main floor bedroom is spacious and bright. The office bedroom boasts built-in shelving and Jatoba hardwood. Up the lit stairway through double doors is the master bedroom. With tray ceiling, a beautiful picture window to let in the morning light. The charcoal cabinetry against the Carrara marble in the master bath is a classic. The basement bedroom with large windows is spacious and bright. The basement bathroom has in-floor heat. The theater room is fully wired for surround sound, also has a door that leads you behind your audio video equipment for ease of use. Basement is 1,450 square feet. This home has triple pane low and argon-filled windows, RO system.